Kani kadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Henne kasngi ke pratrek ubnai leber. Kadai kasngi ke bahasa tlak ke pertai ki Rakhe yakni kasngi kom kasngi bakar pang juki kentai. Ne yak blatep hakaktian parang International Women's Day. Ringkat borok kowe ke pertai hakani ke jala jungiru. Kamtam hakani ke nomba asulong la Rakhe yakni kasngi. Bat ke wai ni ke Rakhe kadai ke balapelong da kaseng Manbha Foundation. Ringkat ke Jingïaid bat ke Youth Red Cross jong ke St. Mary's College. Da ke bapelong yak Jingïaid Paidbah.
In a world full of many types of violence against women and children is one of the worst. We pledge that we will stand against violence of this kind. We pledge that we will never be part of violence against women and children. We will also report to concerned authorities if we find these types of crimes being committed. We pledge to respect and support human life in any kind of situation. We pledge to work together for the betterment of our society so that we can progress in peace and goodness. God will be with us and help us. Thank you.
So the main purpose of having our rally today is keeping with the theme to press for progress. We as an organization have seen, and I think all of you also have seen, the kind of inequality that women in our state of Meghalaya face. Though we are a matrilineal society and women are supposed to have a good status in the society, yet women face a lot of problems. There are problems of inequality in terms of wages, in terms of work, in terms of political representation at the assembly. In fact, right now we don't have any women representative in the cabinet. We also see that women do not have reproductive rights. Their reproductive rights are very much suppressed. We also see that when it comes to crimes, which really is a big issue here in Meghalaya, I think every day you see papers of women and young females, babies being raped, being molested. So this is a big issue about for women, which we feel that now we are hopeful with the new government that has been formed, that they will take up these issues of the women in our state. As a day to dedicate to celebrating womanhood, their social, political, cultural, economic achievements and their significant contributions to society. This day also emphasizes the importance of gender equality. So this day, people from all over the world are celebrating womanhood. This is the day which we associate with feminism and equal rights for women. So the theme this year, the campaign theme this year is Press for Progress for Gender Parity or Gender Equality.
Lasdang yakni ke Rakhe da ke bapelong ya ke Jingïaid Paidbah na madan yorang hab la imkra shilong bat penbuat pat da ke Jingïaid Paidbah hadu ke Pelau jong ke State Central Library ha ke bala wan sementara ki samla pule na ki college ba prepare jong ke kanong ba ki ba kan top ya ke Women's College St. Mary's College bat kiwe habaykan bat ke secretary jong ke Manbha Foundation i Dr. Rika Lamar i laito ba ke jing tmu hi halor ke jing pelong ya ke ni ke Jingïaid Paidbah kalong ban sngau siki bor ba khle halor ka jingsha ban ben jong ki ken thai na do ki khlong kna bat hadu menta ki dan ru shibon ki ejahar ki badang sakon bat sateng bat ki bampat yo ya ka jing bishar ka bahok.
In India, we follow many rules and regulations. For women, they are this, do that, be it any from religion. So I just want to say to the women that follow there are some rules and regulations that we need to follow, but that doesn't mean that we'll fall behind the man. So we should always follow rules and regulations, but not to that extent that men can control us all the time, and that men will force us to do this and that, and then our men's family also sometimes force us. So we should be strong enough to say that I know my rules and regulations and not to teach us our own regulations.
So as my side, I have many views in me that looking to this. As we are in India, we have a largest constitution in the world, but yet there are many things that the government cannot approve. And my question is that why does this thing happen? Even we have the largest constitution, and why there is yet many policies are yet to be made.
Bahkan ni rally ni ko ban penpau ba kaban ko yang atrai kedai ba ni ko ban yo kinong yalam ki ba biang ki ba bha ki ba dan kinong rim ki ba bha no ki bom dei ki ba dan penu kadak yang kaba lesi kaba dan hakim ke sarkar kaba adep mensua kidan kinong yalam kinong khmat kiba long involve hakini ki crimes against women no kibala dan kum ki rape case ki allegations nang ta kidan kiba dan kum ki guest house lesi kiba dan kum kini ki kentai kiba one support kini ki guest house te ki tu kini kiba penlong kiba lesi kiba dong ki kam bian kiba kini ki nong yalam jengi ki le tini kirmen bah kani ka sarkar ka batham mai ngin dan ki nong yalam ki dei kita ki role models mo ya ki breu jongi sakawai ru ngisngau ba sisha habia dei bat kani ka jing sha le thombor ki kintai ngi ba kani ka an ka long sinjor ba kim simkhia habia dei bat kini ki kam le bi an ki kintai kum ki kam le bi jot bat ki weiru ki kam kum kani ka case ka bangi don kum menta ka sngi ka ba itu victim ila kren hakaba kila sha sure ki sha kren ki ten klamakor hakikat tu kat ni ki breu ki badan stage ko pentor kentai bat chinrang te kani ka case hado mentaro empat charge sheet kala dei sausan banai ru empat don ka aka ka ba kila move ban le ban ai kata ka jing penshitom ya kini ki bala le kini ki kam te namar lese kini ki ba sha le kani ka kam ki wan ka yen ka ba dok te mdan bo kushe la ne ki bom dan kata ka influence ki political influence ne kita ki reu he ki nong mi khmat ki ban ya sat ne ban ya rap ya ki te na kata ka da mdan bo kushe la se da dei ba dei ki khon jong ki nong mi khmat ne ki ki ba dan spa ba he spa le se ka kam ka ya chat ba ki kita ki balik ka kam ki yo ya ka ta ka jing saja te ngi kum ka seng ngi ya fight na ka benta kini ki beduk kintai ki ba ki bom dan kata kaspa ko kayo kot ko biang ko batikina ni train na benta ki kintai ki ba marway ki ba dan pashu hakayin kita ki single women di ni so ka shisha ka ba ni so kia shisha ya kani ba sarkar ka claim le ya kani ka badai ban le ki bor bahe lada ni la approach hapo ki police department hapo ka social welfare bangin yo ya kata ka scheme ka ba kisek ai ya kini ki victims ka pisa mo ka compensation na bakin namar iwe ni victim jong ila hapsa apo ni grams ila shasho ka kejat jong kala poi sha ka jing mensau te ki klemai ya kani ka pisa ka ba ide ban yo ban sumar ni na ka seng ila behi mangi ya kani ka pisa bani arab te kum kini kila don ki schemes bani arab handrai kan nungut ki bayo kani ka pisa kum kani ka scheme ka rehabilitation for ya kani ki sexually abuse ki rape victims ka compensation ki rape victims ro kan nungut ki bayo kani ka kam kalong ka basuki bha kim trei kloi kim penstet ya ka kam ka khanang ba kin yo ki victims ya kini ki compensation ni ki Jingïaid tingi ngi smau ba kani ka sarkar pathamai ba kansim khia ya kini ki jing ban jong ki kentai habe dei bat kani ka jing shale thombor jong ki